Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on Auction Start haptic feedback on Whatnot application. So how to turn on Auction Start haptic feedback on Whatnot application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Whatnot app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Whatnot app. Next, tap the account menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, scroll down. Next, tap the Preferences menu. Next, scroll down. Then, tap Auction Start haptic feedback. So that's it, this tutorial on how to turn on Auction Start haptic feedback on Whatnot application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.